going to tell you about how to remove a photo's background. First, open to remove.bg in your browser. You can just type remove.bg alone, or you can just type remove.bg/upload. And then you'll end up here. You can pick which photo do you want as an example. Or you can just upload or drop a file, paste image, or paste the URL of that photo that you want. I'm going to try one of these photos. So this is the original photo, okay, a car, and this is the removed background photo. See? So in this photo, there is the background of this car. But in the removed background, there is no background, and that there is only the car. You can download it or download HD, and you can copy this photo too. Just right click and click copy image. You can edit this photo too. And if you want to know how, watch my other video.